Namaste, I am JVN Dr. Priyanka. Today I will discuss about important of vegetable farming. Cultivation of vegetable occupy an important place in agriculture development and economy of the country. Vegetable farming is an important source of income and vegetables are indispensable part of balanced diet and it is the cheapest source of natural protective food and high employment area important source of mm, earning foreign exchange money and type of vegetable gardening, kitchen gardening, market gardening, truck gardening, vegetable gardening, gardening for purpose, gardening for processing, sorry, garden done for vegetables in production and floating gardening, organic vegetable gardening. First one, kitchen gardening. Important of kitchen gardening, effective and efficient use of land and growing essential vegetable by family and save some money as fresh vegetable and a small contribution of vegetable production and very healthy and hobby and aim and plan of kitchen out can be continuous supply of vegetable to a family throughout the year in ensured and we can get pesticide reduced fruit vegetable and design of kitchen gardening. Design of kitchen gardening depends upon feature of particular piece of land and in extent and situation. Principle following of designing and layout of kitchen gardening according to location, proper layout, coping pattern, size 25 into 10 meter is ideal to family for 5 person. A rectangular shape is preferred. And first in southeast aspect is most preferred for having more sunlight and for kitchen gardening. Uh, Easier to work, image and make use of kitchen wastage water and layout of gardens should be such that it looks attractive and allow access to all parts and the land should be laid out the smart plots and in home where no space is available one can be grow vegetable in plots pots and boxes and climbing type vegetable like fruits feet and beans can trend on the fences and several sowing of one particular crop at short intervals should be done ensure steady supply of vegetable and good growing vegetable tree like papaya, banana, lime and ridges which separate the beds should be utilized for growing root crop like radish, turnip, beet, carrot and aging maturing crops should be planted together in continuous row so that the area may be available for growing and the interspace of some crop which are slow growing and take long duration of petrol like cabbage, cauliflower, brinjal, etc. Market gardening. Market gardening which produce vegetable for local garden. Earlier, this type of garden was come from in near vicinity of the cities is general where quick means of transport were not available. Even today, most of the market gardens are located with a range of 15 to 20 kilometers of the city. The cropping pattern of these gardens depend on the demand of the local market. Intensive methods of cultivation are followed as the land of very costly. In general market, garden prefers to grow early variety and market gardeners should be good salesman as he may have to sell with own pro- produce. He must be a versatile person as he will have to grow a number of vegetables throughout the year. The high cost of land and labor is compensated by the availability of municipal compost, water near some city and high rate of produce. And truck gardening is a specific vegetable in relatively large quantity of distance market. Truck gardening is general follow is more extensive and less intensive method of cultivation than market garden. And truck has no relation with a motor trucks but is derived from French word truckers means barter. And ये क्वेश्चन बहुत पूछा जाता है कि ट्रक गार्डनिंग का मीन्स क्या होता है इसमें ट्रक वर्ड का तो ट्रक एक फ्रेंच वर्ड है ट्रोक्योर इसका मीन्स होता है बार्टर The location of this type of garden is determined by the endemic and climate factors suitable for raising a particular crop and commoditized to usefully suit middlemen. The garden should be specialized person and should be mm, processing a large scale cultivation handling the some special crop and we must follow the mechanical method and net income is also less than the total cost of production including the charge of transport and middleman and vegetable gardening for processing and in this method of gardening around vegetable processing factories and gardener ensure regular supply of vegetable in the factory and getting popular due to establishment processing industries by the corporate sector. Earlier only a few factories excited with very demand of the local market only. This garden is specialized to growing only selected vegetable is built and a heavy soil is chosen often high and continuous rather than early yield and many processing units like canning, dehydration and processing, freezing etc. And vegetable garden for portion. A vegetable produce are the normal seasonal under portion structures like greenhouse, cold farm and hotbed and common structure are mainly used and they provide ideal environment required by a crop for proper growth and development and generally tomato, cucumber, capsicum are grown. A vegetable garden for seed production. Good seed is a base of unsuccessful farming industries. Seed production is specialized field of vegetable growing and knowledge of crop, its growth, habit, mode of pollination, proper isolation distance, and a prime important for quality of seed production. And specialized knowledge is required handle to seed like curing, threshing, cleaning, grading, packaging, and storage. A type of seeds are nuclear and foundation seed and certified seed and floating garden. A floating garden mainly in cultivated in Dal Lake of Kashmir Valley and most of the summer vegetables supplied in Srinagar from this garden and floating base is made from the root of Taifa grass and floating base is ready seedling are transplanted on leaf compost such a vegetation growing while in the lake and agricultural operation done by board and special technique is art of itself. And organic farming defines the USDA system would exclude the use of synthetic fertilizer, pesticide, and growth regulator. And approaches and production include organic farming and avoid synthetic fertilizers, synthetic pesticide, mainly with mulching, animal manure, compost, and green manure and organic fertilizer like soil amendment and seaweed, compost, air, herbal tree, and marine animal and plant byproduct etc. And aeroponics. Hydroponic means Greek word hydro means water and ponics means variable and in this technology growing plants in nutrient solution with or without the use of substrate gravels and multiplied rocks, wool, peat, mass, and sand axis provide mechanical support of the plant. And aeroponics is derived from the Greek word aero means air, pon means labor, and this hang the air and mixed with nutrient solution. Thank you.